logarithmic differentiation. Generally, when we use logarithmic differentiation, we use it for a variable as a power of another variable. That means, suppose we have y is equals to x to the power x. That is a variable, and you have another variable as the power of the variable. Then we apply log. We can also use log for higher powers, but generally this is applied for variable as the power of another variable. Then what we do is we take log on both sides. So we will get log y is equals to x log x. The power comes in front, log x. Now पावर आगे आ जाता है. ये log का एक प्रॉपर्टी है. Log a to the power m is equals to m log a. We are using this property. So log y is equals to x log x. Now we have learnt in the last class the differentiation of implicit function. So log y is an implicit function. So the differentiation of log y will be 1 by y into dy by dx is equals to x log x. So we use product rule because there are two functions. So x into differentiation of log x, which is 1 by x, plus log x into differentiation of x, which will be 1. So we will have 1 by y into dy by dx is equals to 1 plus log x. Implies dy by dx is equals to y into 1 plus log x. What was y? Y was x to the power x. So x to the power x into 1 plus log x. So this will be my final answer. y को सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. log y को डिफरेंशिएट किया तो 1 by y आया. फिर y को डिफरेंशिएट किया विद रेस्पेक्ट टू x, सो I got dy by dx. फिर मैंने प्रोडक्ट रूल अप्लाई किया, ये आ गया. ठीक है, मूविंग ऑन. तुम्हारा वो क्वेश्चन निकालो जो आया था. x to the power y is equals to y to the power x. So again, a variable as the power of another variable. So log, taking log on both sides, not common. Taking log on both sides, we will have y log x is equals to x log y. So y log x, again two functions, differentiation y into differentiation of log x, which is 1 by x, plus log x into differentiation of y, which will be dy by dx, equals to x differentiation of log y, which will be 1 by y into dy by dx, plus log y into differentiation of x, which will be 1. So we have y by x plus log x into dy by dx is equals to x by y into dy by dx plus log y. Implies dy by dx, if we take common from both the terms, log x minus x by y, I am bringing this term to the left hand side and taking this term to the right hand side, equals to log y minus y by x, which is dy by dx y log x minus x by y is equals to x log y minus y by x. So dy by dx equals to y into x log y minus y by x into y log x minus x. Here you cannot substitute the value of y because the function was x to the power y is equals to y to the power x. So we do not substitute the value of y, we keep it as it is. Clear?
मेरे को एक डाउट है कि जब हम लोग कॉमन ले रहे हैं dy dx तो मतलब हम लोग ऐसे कॉमन ले सकते हैं दूसरा में इक्वल टू ऐसे होता है मतलब
इक्वल टू से मैंने ये जो टर्म था ये टर्म को मैं इस साइड लेके आया तो जब इस साइड आ गया तो ये बना माइनस एक्स बाई वाई डी वाई डी एक्स तो डी वाई बाई डी एक्स को अगर मैंने कॉमन ले लिया तो बचा क्या लॉग एक्स माइनस एक्स बाई वाई क्लियर